मेरा नाम सुनीता उरांव है। झारखंड के रहने वाले हैं। कंपनी के लिए हम लोग को घर रहने के लिए अच्छा दिए हैं। खाना पकाने के लिए कुकर दिए गए हैं। हम लोग को बगल में ही नर्स है। टीवी दिए गए हैं। अभी हम लोग के लिए अलमारी मिला। हॉस्पिटल में हम लोग को, यहाँ कंपनी में काम करते हैं, हम लोग का फ्री में ही इलाज होता है। बेनिफिट मिलता है कंपनी तरफ से, फैट एड की तरफ से अच्छा बेनिफिट मिलता है। हम लोग बहुत खुश है।
United Nilgiri Tea Estates Company Limited celebrates its 100th year this year. We have been the pioneers as far as organic production has been concerned. We started with the Korakunda Garden being producing the best of the organic teas, both black and green orthodox and specialty teas. We have moved on for other three gardens also, that is Chamraj and Devbeta, have been converted into organic in due course of time. We produce one of the best teas in Nilgiris, being located in Nilgiri. It has got its own flavor, own characteristic. The orthodox tea has got its own geographical indicator. So the tea from here is exported all over the world. One can come here and taste those teas and have the best of the brand. And then you can see how the palette is, how the cup is. And we make a lot of specialty high-end winter teas which are specifically manufactured during the winters. And very specific to certain clothes, certain areas. We have about 4 gardens in our group, and all of them produce the highest quality of tea. Almost 4 million kilo of tea is produced in our group, and we are exporting it all over the world. Of the production, I would say about 85% of the tea is exported, and we have our clients all over Europe, US, Canada, Australia, Japan, and other countries as well. Our teas are certified on organic from NOP, which is the US certification, NPOP, EU, Canadian standards, Japanese standards, JAS, and Korean standards. And all our teas are Rainforest Alliance certified, Fair Trade certified, and Food certified. And all our factories are FSSC 22000 version 5.1 certified. So our quality and production are of the top notch as far as the teas are concerned, and it is available for anybody who wants to have the best cup of teas. We do a lot of retail sales also of our packets. We have about 52 different types of teas, including herbal infusions, fruit infusions, direct teas, organic teas, and our strength has been organic all through.